Welcome to Channel AmTB Official. This video was recorded on April 18th, 2025, at the Darband complex in Tehran. It was a pleasant spring afternoon, between 3 and 6 p.m. The temperature stayed around 20 to 22 degrees Celsius, warm enough for comfort, yet cool with a gentle breeze. The air carried that fresh, crisp feeling of early spring, perfect for exploring the palace grounds. From Tajrish, the road takes us towards Darband. The drive itself feels like part of the experience, with mountain slopes, tall trees, and a fresh breeze carrying the scent of spring. It's a gentle escape from the busy streets of Tehran, leading us closer to nature. Just nearby, the Darband complex awaits, a historic royal residence surrounded by this very landscape, where history and nature meet in harmony. The road that leads towards the palace is a single-lane, two-way stretch. On this day, it was filled with traffic, as April 18th is a public holiday in Iran, celebrated as the Islamic Republic of Iran Army Day. Families and visitors had all come out to enjoy the spring atmosphere. Interestingly, the date also coincided with Good Friday, a day of reflection marked in many parts of the world. It felt like a moment where different traditions and celebrations quietly crossed paths. From this point, we decided to continue the remaining distance on foot, instead of being stuck in the holiday traffic inside our car. Walking allowed us to experience the surroundings more closely. I especially loved the sound of the downstream waters flowing through the man-made channels beside the road. This water comes directly from the Alborz mountains, passing through Darband and further beyond, a natural rhythm that adds life to the entire journey. Finally, we arrived at the main gate of the palace. Outside, rows of vehicles were parked, showing just how busy the day was. In the distance, the mountain peaks still carried a layer of snow, glistening under the spring sun. As we stepped inside, the very first thing I noticed was the gentle sound of a flowing stream, a calm reminder of nature. But very quickly it became clear how crowded the complex was, with many visitors taking advantage of the holiday to explore this historic place. As we walked further inside, noticing the greenery, the flowing streams, and the historic buildings, I couldn't help but wonder, have you ever visited a place that made you feel this connection to nature and history? If this reminds you of a memory or a place you love, share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you're enjoying this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so more people can join the journey.
ساعت بشینم.
As we started moving in the golf cart, the scene around us was delightful. Families enjoying their day, laughter in the air, and the wonderful spring weather making everything feel even more alive. Everywhere we looked, there was greenery, with the occasional historic building or stone block peeking through. It was easy to imagine how life might have been centuries ago, when kings and their courtiers walked these very paths. The Sadabad complex, originally built during the Qajar dynasty and later expanded by the Pahlavi kings, served not just as a royal residence, but as a symbol of Iran's rich cultural and political history. One interesting story is about Reza Shah Pahlavi, who used the White Palace, now known as the Mellat Palace Museum, as his main residence. The palace wasn't just a home, it was a statement of modernity and elegance, blending European architectural influences with Persian artistry. Walking past the gardens and historic blocks, you can almost picture the royal processions, the ceremonies, and the simple daily routines of those who once lived here. At last, we arrived near the Mellat Palace Museum, where our first part of the journey comes to a pause. In the next and final part, we will step inside and explore the palace itself, uncovering more of its history and beauty. Thank you for joining me on this walk through the Darband complex. If you enjoyed this tour, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the continuation. Until then, take care and see you in the next video.